Afternoon. A mixture of bright spells, some sunny spells and some showers. And some of the showers will be heavy and thundery with some hail on higher ground and highlands. They'll also be wintry in nature. Widespread gales, severe gales in the Northern Isles, temperatures 7 to 13 degrees. On the face of it, these temperatures look not too bad for the time of year. They're actually above average, but when you add on the elements, it will feel cooler than those temperatures do suggest. So heading on through the evening and overnight, we've got another band of rain just scooting across southern areas, and then another active weather front comes in from the northwest, pushing southwards and eastwards. Again with this one, we're looking at hail and also some thunder and lightning, and the snow level coming down across parts of Scotland to about 200 metres. So that may well lead to some disruption on roads like the A9, for example, first thing in the morning. Still going to be windy, some clear skies, and it's also going to be colder from the northwest. We're still in the milder air as we push down towards the south and east. Now, heading on into the rest of Thursday, we still will have that weather front slowly pushing southwards and eastwards. Still some heavy rain in it as well. Behind it, brighter skies follow on, but in the colder air, you'll find that the showers again will be wintry, especially so on the hills in western Scotland. But there'll be some sunshine too. But note the difference in the temperatures. So behind the weather front, the colder air is starting to dig in, and later in the day, as it pulls away, that cold air will get all the way down to the southeast. So instead of double figures, we're looking at 4. Later in the day, as that rain pushes towards the east, it will brighten up, but nonetheless, there will still be some showers knocking around as well. So this is the rain that we've had in the last couple of hours. You can see how quite quickly it's pushing northwards and eastwards. Ahead of it in northeast Scotland, it's a dry start, even a bright start in the Northern Isles, but that won't last because the rain's going to continue to move northeastwards through the course of the day. Now, it's going to be a windy day wherever you are, gusts of wind, even inland, in excess of 40 miles an hour, but severe gales later on across the Northern Isles. But note how it brightens up. Now, it's not going to dry up completely. There will still be some showers around, those wintry in the hills in Scotland, and these black circles represent the strength of the wind gusts. Temperature-wise, on the face of it, it does look like it's going to be a mild day, 7 to 13 degrees north to south, but add on the elements, the wind and the rain, and it will feel cooler than this. So as we head through the evening and overnight, for a time it will be dry. We do have some rain scooting across the English Channel, actually affecting some southern counties as well. And then we've got an active weather front coming in from the northwest. It too is pushing southeastwards. There'll be some heavy showers in this, potentially some thunder and lightning, and some winteriness in the showers in the north, particularly so in the highlands, down to modest levels to about 200 metres. So you may well find in the morning there could be some disruption on the A9, for example. Temperatures tonight, 4 to about 10 degrees north to south. The temperatures in the south actually falling as we go through the course of the night. So as we head on then in through Thursday, this is the offending weather front continuing to pull away, taking its rain with it. But just behind that, you can see this pocket of milder air represented by the yellows. But look how all the blues return. So as this weather front pushes steadily southwards, taking its rain with it, behind it the cooler air follows in. So we're seeing a lot of wintry showers on the hills in western Scotland, for example. We could see them a little bit farther south too, in Wales, the southwest and potentially northwest England. But again, with all this rain around, it's exacerbating the risk of flooding. Look at the difference in the temperatures, 4 to 8 degrees. We've lost the double-figure temperatures we've become so used to of late. So then as we move on towards the end of the week on Friday, a lot of dry weather around, but equally there'll be a lot of showers too. Now, some of the showers could well be wintry on the hills mostly, north to south. 6 to about 10 degrees will be our temperatures. And then as we move on into the weekend, well, the low pressure pushes up towards Scandinavia. We've got a ridge of high pressure across the UK, but this little area of low pressure just scooting past the southwest could produce some showery outbreaks of rain in the southwest on Sunday. But generally speaking, there'll be some sunshine.